discuss about the key points in electrochemistry. Number 1. Functioning of Daniell cell when external voltage is applied. That is what happens when E cell is lesser than E naught cell and E external is equal to E naught cell, and then E external is greater than E naught cell.
Now we see what will happen when E external is lesser than E naught cell. When E external is lesser than E naught cell, the cell behave as an electrochemical cell. Here anode behave as anode and cathode behave as cathode. Metal dissolve at anode and metal always deposits at cathode. Now we see what will happen when E external is equal to E naught cell. When E external is equal to E naught cell, the cell will not function. There is no chemical reaction and there is no current flow as there is no electron flow.
Now we see what will happen when E external is greater than E naught cell. When E external is greater than E naught cell, the cell will behave as electrolytic cell. In this case, anode behave as cathode and cathode behave as anode, but metal always deposits at cathode and dissolve at anode.